If you're wondering whether AI Text Improver is actually worth using, here are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in, especially if you're looking for the best just released AI software that can instantly improve your writing. And yes, you can try it completely free from the first link below. I've tested hundreds, literally thousands of AI tools, and AI Text Improver stands out for one key reason. It doesn't just rewrite your content. It improves clarity, tone, grammar, and structure in a way that feels natural, not robotic. Whether you're a marketer, a student, or someone who just wants their writing to sound more polished, this tool delivers fast. The first thing you'll notice is the speed. You paste your content in, hit the button, and in seconds it gives you a refined version. No waiting around, no clunky UI. It works like ChatGPT meets Grammarly, but it doesn't stop at grammar. It elevates your writing for readability and persuasion. What surprised me is how well it adapts to different tones. You can choose to make your content more formal, casual, persuasive, or simplified. That's insanely useful if you're creating sales copy, emails, or even academic content. It even corrects subtle errors that most tools miss, like sentence rhythm or passive voice. Now here's the cool part. It doesn't just fix bad writing, it levels up good writing. Even if your text is decent, the AI will take it to the next level without losing your voice. That's critical if you're creating branded content or writing professionally. One of the things that stood out most to me? It works right out of the box. No complicated setup, no endless options that leave you stuck tweaking. Just paste, click, done. Plus, it's web-based, so there's nothing to install. Privacy-wise, the platform doesn't store your content, and nothing you write gets used to train future models. That's a major green flag for anyone writing sensitive material like client emails or internal documents. Now, here's where it gets really interesting, and this is something most people miss. The AI Text Improver isn't just about fixing your text, it's an actual learning tool. When you compare your original to the improved version, you start noticing the patterns. Over time, your own writing improves just by watching how the AI edits. So, is it the best just released AI software for writing? Honestly, yes, especially if you want something that saves time and makes you look like a better writer instantly. You can try AI Text Improver completely free from the first link below. And if you're serious about upgrading your writing stack, I've also listed my top recommended AI tools in the description, tested across thousands of use cases, and all of them have free trials. Give this one a go. It might be the most useful AI tool you try this year.